Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is all about the data entry work. So as you know that the data entry is an essential part of many industries, and it is a job that requires attention to details. It means that you should be careful whenever you are doing this job. And in this video we will explore what data entry is, its types, the data entry process, and the skills and qualifications required for this role. We will explain you all these things in this video. So let's get started. The first question is that what is data entry? So the data entry is the process of manually entering information into a computer database or spreadsheet. Got it? And it involves typing or uploading data into a digital system. We are just entering data to the digital system. We are moving to the digitalized side and ensuring accuracy and efficiency. Okay, whenever you are doing the data entry job, so you should ensure the accuracy and the efficiency of your work. Data entry is used in various industries, including if that is healthcare industry, finance, marketing, and many more industries. You can work as a data entry. And for example, let's just explain in an example of data entry that when you have shop online. Okay, whenever you would like to just shop online, your personal information and order details, okay, the detail of your order details are entered into database. So this is an example of the data entry that we can consider. Now let's move to the types of the data entry. Yeah, there are three main types for data entry. The first one is manual data entry. This involves typing information into a computer database or spreadsheet manually. Manually, you are writing, for example, we are writing in Excel or you are writing in a database. So it is the most common type of data entry and requires attention to detail and typing skill. Whenever you are writing, you are doing manual data entry, so you need to be fast in your typing, and also you should be careful whenever you are entering the data. The second type is automated data entry. Yeah, automatically entering the data. So this type of data entry uses software or tools to automatically enter data into a digital system. Okay, for this type of data entry we are using the tools and the softwares. It is faster and more efficient than manual data entry, but requires technical knowledge. Yeah, of course it is automatic, so it will be fast. Let's move to the third type of data entry. The third type is online data entry. This type of data entry involves working on cloud-based platforms. Okay, and entering data into online databases or spreadsheet. Yeah, we are just working on the cloud base and we are entering data. We can work here as remotely also. We can remotely insert the data and record the data inside the database or a spreadsheet. Now let's move to the data entry process. Okay, which process we need for the data entry job? So the process it involves, the first process is data collection. For this data entry job, first of all we should gather. It means that we should gather the data that we have. Okay, we are gathering data from various sources like paper, maybe the data is on paper, hard copy, or online submissions, or the existing database. Okay, the existing database, you would like to update that, or you want to change it, you would like to move to another platform. So this is the first step in the data entry, is to gather the information, gather the data. The second step is data cleaning and validation. Okay, whenever you are doing the data entry job, the first step was data information gathering. The second step is to ensure the accuracy and quality of the data by checking for errors, duplicates, or missing information. Yeah, the second step is data cleaning and validation. Let's move to the third step. For this is data entry. Okay, for the third step we are entering data manually or automatically or to the online system. Okay, in the digital systems. And the fourth step in the process of data entry is data verification and quality control. Okay, so it means that we are double checking the entered data for errors or inaccuracy, ensuring the data is reliable and consistent. Okay, for the last step we are just checking for the errors, if there was any duplicated value, or the data is reliable or not reliable. So this was the process of data entry. Now let's move to the skills and qualification required for the data entry job. The skills for this job is that the basic computer knowledge, Attention to detail, it means that ensuring accuracy and quality of data entry. Typing speed and accuracy, it means that efficiency entering data into a digital system. And the fourth one is organizational skills, managing and prioritize data entry tasks and deadlines. Okay, organizational skills, that you should manage and prioritize the data, which data should be entered first, which second, and you should just have the skills of organization. And the fifth one is that analytical skills. It means that identifying errors and inconsistencies in data. So these are the skills and qualifications for data entry job. So this was all about the data entry. What is data entry, the types of that, process of that, the qualification required for the data entry. So if you have liked this video, so don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more contents like this. Thanks for watching.